name is Muhammad Safiar Al Gibraltar Elion under the guidance of Dr. Randa Emi Irianingsi, MA at Fatmi Sri Hasani, SPD. We are from Senior High School 3, Samara.
Have you even heard of the danger of the mercury?
The material can cause users to experience disability and even death, which is even more frightening. This ingredient is very commonly found in various beauty products.
Merkuri terkenal sebagai bahan kimia berbahaya yang biasa digunakan untuk memutihkan kulit.
Penggunaan merkuri ini dilarang karena bisa menimbulkan bahaya bila terkena kulit dan bisa kemudian meresap ke pembuluh darah. Merupakan zat karsinogenik, zat yang menyebabkan kanker.
Dari lokasi ditemukan 16 jenis kosmetik tanpa izin edar dan mengandung bahan berbahaya merkuri.
Like the news footage show, we are now. The case of cosmetic containing mercury is very serious problem. So we need a solution for people can find out if the cosmetic contain mercury.
Well, on this occasion, we will be more specific discussing face cream that contain mercury. As we know, this regulation is very high.
But don't worry, we will show you the result of our research for helping people be more selective in the choosing cream for beauty product. And the title is Tasma Series, the magic of paper detector mercury.
Mercury is a material that easily absorbed by the skin and enters into the bloodstream due to the use of physical media such as cosmetic cream and oiled water. In a certain period of time, direct contact with mercury can trigger various cases of disability and death, starting of allergies, skin discoloration that differ from the basic skin color, irritation, and the appearance of black spots on the skin to brain, kidney, vomiting, diarrhea, and cancer, if it occurs at high doses. As for the accumulative nature of mercury, so the damage occurs, for of course it's not immediately felt in the matter of days.
The worst thing is the existence of this fact that can deceive the public. Proven dangerous, mercury then become a prohibited product in many countries, including Indonesia. Even so, the effect that can within the skin instantly must be tempting. So many procedures and consumers are tempted to produce and peddle the harmful materials. Then, the customers are consumed by instant thrill and they are least selective, thus ignoring the series of side effects. Therefore, we propose an innovative solution by utilizing cyanogenic glycosides, which are found in cassava peels and tubers, as one of the largest food products in Indonesia.
The content of cyanogenic glycosides can be converted into hydrogen cyanide through a simple hydrolysis process. In amarase hydrolyze the glycosidic bond, linking the glucose to the cyanohydrate. Then, hydrogen cyanide is dissociated from acetone cyanohydrate, either enzymatically or through action of another enzyme, a hydroxynitride lyase. The color of the extract will turn black because cyanide will react to produce a black color when combined with mercury. In previous research, we have found mercury detectors, such as mercury auto detection system or METS, and cassava detectives that can detect mercury in products around us. But not all people can apply it themselves. In addition to the expensive price for making it, it is also difficult to apply by the general public. Therefore, this research produces a product that has several advantages, as well as practical form, and is easy to carry anywhere.
We tested potassium cyanide with mercuric nitrate in a reaction vessel using distilled water as solvent. To prove the reaction between two materials, the result reaction occurred in a form of a color change from yellow to black. Tasma Siri begins with collecting cassava. Peel the outer skin of the cassava until it looks purple on surface. After that, finally grate the skin and cassava both. We make 200 grams of cassava as an ingredient. Then, make a 0.5 molar NaOH solution. We made 0.5 molar NaOH with 500 milliliters of aqueous as the solvent, so that more cyanide from cassava could be born.
The next process is cassava maceration using natrium hydroxide as a solvent with a ratio 200 grams of cassava and 500 milliliters of natrium hydroxide with a concentrate of 0.5 molar. Put the cassava in a glass, then add natrium hydroxide with 0.5 molar, stir evenly, close the glass tightly and wait for 5 days in a shady place. After 5 days, open the glass over, then strain the extract and collect it into a container which is tightly sealed.
The test result of maceration by mercurous nitrate are hydrated in the test tube. The results show the reaction in the form of a discoloration from yellowish orange to black. This indicates the presence of cyanide from cassava.
After the maceration was successful, we soaked the filter paper into the maceration result, after which we tested the paper containing extract with mercurous nitrate, and the initially white paper turned black, and yeah, Tasma Siri was burned. And then we tested our 5 ml creams containing mercurous nitrate with a ratio of 0.0010 grams, 0.0015 grams, and the last comparison with 0.0020 grams. After we are looking at the comparison, we got the result that the more mercury content, then the color change will be blacker.
This research has several benefits. The first benefit is an indicator and a tool for public education to know the danger of mercury, then to helping ordinary people to know which cosmetic contain mercury. The last one, for demanding the public to be more selective and aware of cosmetic products.
Advantage. Compared to previous research, Tasma Siri has several advantages, such as easy to apply, can be made by the community themselves, more economical, practical, and has great potential to develop in further research. Conclusion. Tasma Siri has succeeded in detecting creams containing mercury properly, economically, and easy to apply. In the future, this research will be more developed again to be tested on other types of products containing mercury.